Welcome to Best by Report. The best wall Christmas tree is probably one of the most space-saving and stylish holiday decorations you can find. Perfect for apartments, small rooms, or anyone wanting a modern twist on tradition, these trees offer a unique way to celebrate the season. Today, we're diving into the world of wall-mounted Christmas trees, exploring their designs, and helping you choose the perfect one for your home. Number 5. Garma Felt Christmas Tree Set. This is the Garma Felt Christmas Tree Set. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to decorate for the holidays. The set includes everything needed to create a festive tree. Inside, you'll find a felt Christmas tree, a string light, and 41 detachable ornaments. The ornaments include classic Christmas symbols like Santa, snowmen, and snowflakes. It has everything you need to get started. The DIY Christmas tree is made of high-quality felt material. The tree itself is 3 mm thick, and the ornaments are 2 mm thick. This ensures that it is durable and long-lasting. This felt Christmas tree is perfect for decorating. Kids and adults can place it on walls, windows, or doors. Everyone will enjoy decorating with their imagination. It's a safe and harmless gift for kids. Children can freely stick the ornaments anywhere on the tree. This helps cultivate their intelligence and cognitive abilities. The felt Christmas decor is reusable and can be stored for future holidays. This Christmas tree reminds us of the joy of being with family and friends. What we like. This felt Christmas tree is a fantastic DIY project for kids. It comes with a variety of ornaments, allowing them to personalize their own tree. If you're looking for a fun and safe activity to engage your children during the holidays, this is a perfect choice. What people say. This tree is much better quality than some others at this price range. The ornaments are thicker, which makes them more durable. The tree Velcro is incorporated into the tree, making it safer for the kids. Kids are loving being able to decorate and redecorate the tree. The pieces to be placed on the tree are thick, but may require some maintenance over time. Most of the pieces are large and sturdy. It comes with so many stick-on ornaments. She loves to play with it, taking the ornaments on and off and putting them in different places, and I have fun doing it with her. Number 4. JUSTDOLIFE Felt Christmas Tree for Kids. Looking for a fun and safe Christmas gift? This DIY felt Christmas tree is perfect for children. It allows them to create their own festive decoration and enjoy the holiday spirit. Made from high-quality felt, it's soft and safe for kids. The material is lightweight with smooth edges, ensuring a safe playtime experience. If it arrives folded, a quick iron will smooth it out. The set includes 33 ornaments with classic Christmas elements. Children can easily attach and rearrange them. This encourages imagination and creativity. It's more than just a decoration, it's a learning tool. The process helps develop hands-on skills and hand-eye coordination. Kids can learn about colors and shapes while having fun. Hang the finished tree on a wall or near the fireplace. Its 3D design creates a rich Christmas atmosphere. It will become a beautiful centerpiece in your home. What we like. This DIY felt tree is made with safe and soft materials, ensuring your child's safety. It includes numerous ornaments, encouraging creativity and imagination. If you have young children and want a fun, educational, and safe Christmas decoration, you should consider this. What people say. This hangs on the wall and folds up flat when holidays are over. Easy to decorate with felt ornaments provided. Nice quality and comes with battery-operated lights with settings. Number 3. Haute Decor 28-inch pre-lit wall Christmas tree. This 28-inch wall tree is beautifully designed with mixed greenery, faux berries, real pine cones, and a velvet bough. It's a perfect addition to your holiday decor, adding a touch of elegance to any space. The tree comes pre-lit with 50 soft white LED lights. They provide a warm, inviting glow, similar to incandescent lights but with the energy efficiency of LEDs. It's ready to brighten your home right out of the box. It features a battery-operated design with a built-in timer. You can set it to run for 6 hours on and 18 hours off, making it incredibly convenient. It also has options for continuous on or off. The metal frame provides stability, and the greenery requires minimal shaping. This makes it easy to set up and enjoy. You'll have it ready to display in no time. Measuring 19 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and 28 inches high, it's the perfect size for any wall. Weighing only 3.0 pounds, it's easy to hang and enjoy throughout the holiday season. Press the button once to activate the timer. After pressing the button once, the lights will turn on and remain on for 6 hours, then they will turn off automatically for 18 hours. They will turn on again automatically in 18 hours, at the same time you first press the button. Press the button 2 times to have the lights turn on continuously. Press the button 3 times to turn off the lights. What we like. This pre-lit wall tree offers convenience with its battery operation and built-in timer. The soft white LED lights create a warm glow. If you are looking for a hassle-free, beautifully lit Christmas decoration, this is the one for you. What people say. Love this little tree hangs flat on wall in my small place. Adorable. Perfect for small spaces. Number 2. 3-foot DIY felt Christmas tree for kids. This is a 3-foot DIY felt Christmas tree designed for kids. It comes with 31 detachable ornaments, including Santa Claus, snowmen, and snowflakes. It's perfect for Christmas party decorations. The felt material is safe and durable. The hook and loop are sewn on, and the wiring is strong. Unlike glue, it doesn't stick easily, making it safe for children. It's suitable for children over 18 months old. This activity is great for eye-hand coordination, fine motor skills, and color recognition. It's the perfect Christmas activity. This is the most wanted novelty Christmas decoration. It's a unique kids felt Christmas tree, and it comes with many different ornaments. It's trending on social media. It's folded for packing, so use an iron to make the tree perfect. You can hang it on the wall or door. You can use it again and again. What we like. This 3-foot felt tree is designed with safe materials and comes with many detachable ornaments. It's a great way to encourage creativity and fine motor skills in children. If you like a fun and engaging Christmas decoration for kids, this is a great choice. What people say. It even comes with twinkle lights that you can attach as well. Can't wait for the kids to play with it. The fairy lights are a plus. Easily reusable for next year. Number 1. Kiddale Christmas Wall Decals for Home Decor. Looking for the perfect Christmas decoration? These Kiddale decals are exactly what you need. It's a great way to add some holiday cheer to your home. Made of PVC, this product is environmentally friendly. You can decorate your home with peace of mind, knowing it's safe for you and the planet. This set includes a large Christmas tree, Santa Claus, snowman, reindeer, and gift wall decals. You can arrange them as you like, making your own unique Christmas scene. The decals apply to any smooth surface. Simply peel and stick. It's that easy to transform your room into a festive wonderland. This is the best Christmas decoration. Decorate your room for the Christmas festival now. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves Christmas. What we like. This Christmas wall decal is made of PVC material and is easy to apply and remove. It includes various festive elements to decorate your room. If you want a quick and easy way to add Christmas cheer to your home, you should consider this. What people say. These festive decals were placed on a glass back door by a 4-year-old and look fabulous. I put this low to ground on the wall so grandkids could enjoy it, and they did. All pieces stuck to wall with no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.